everyone. Today I saw on Mac Rumors that Apple says Notch is a really smart way to give users more space for content on new MacBook Pros. Yeah, that's right, the Notch. The very same Notch that is found on the iPhones from recent years. And it says the inclusion of a notch the inclusion of a notch is the entirely revamped MacBook Pros. What was a surprise and was one of the few last-minute rumors that surfaced ahead. As expected, some social media users have criticized Apple's design. Yeah, it's a great design, however, it is really poorly implemented. You see the notch here? Apple says Notch is a smart way to give users more space for content. Yeah, that's great. However, then there's this, an article from 9to5Mac. And who designed this? And states that, and shows that a video with the problem with status bar items. And here it is showing a bug from the recent M1 MacBook Pros, M1 Pro and M1 Max, with the top bar where the application icon is are, and it doesn't look very convenient, showing a bug. And a video has been posted illustrating a MacBook Pro notch problem in which status bar items can end up hidden beneath the notch. So they came hidden, and Apple designed it in such a way that the mouse passes through the notch when it detects the mouse, and it really bumps, and the items cannot be clicked in any way. However, they are showing under the notch. Here it is. It is absolutely hilarious. They ship their product and it goes live with such bugs. I can't even imagine how they're gonna fix this. Luckily, there's a free app I featured in a previous video. Here it is, it's called Hidden Bar, and it lets you hide all these items. And for now it solves Apple's major problem, which they ship their products with. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.